up in my mind trying to resolve my rationale. They really out to catch a brother frontin' like Pharrell. Out the X, a nigga life could be hotter than hell, but you wouldn't catch me slipping even if my record sell. I'm like Scottie Pippen, I go hard when niggas build. When they fumble on that rock, I'm the one to make it seal. Still, I'm not the only nigga in here making a deal. I roll only with niggas that know about keeping it real. I'm not selling out, not if labels label me a target. I wanna sell, but I'm not gonna labor in your market. I'm fortunate enough to know exactly what a farce is, and as far as I'm concerned, don't trade my beans for your harvest. They limit our IDs, know they trying to starve us. Slimmers don't look by those bitches, used to text us like Marcus. They were looking for a dime cause we don't recognize us flawless. Look beneath the surface, what you see might be appalling. Question everything, every brick, every home, every lie got a base. Any story that's told, even beef gets stale if the heat get cold. But my mind stays sharp, I will hold my own. Question everything, every brick, every home, every lie got a base. Any story that's told, even beef gets stale if the heat get cold. But my mind stays sharp, I will hold my own.
Money on my mind, bad bitch on my dick, new shoes on my feet, got me feeling crisp, ayy. In the hood, I be grinding with your bitch. Niggas hate me, I be shining with my wrist. No necklace, but I'm hanging with the clip, acting reckless with the fifth, eating breakfast with the fifth, ayy. In the courtroom, till I plead the fifth. I'd rather die a man and live like a snitch. Staying focused for the money is my attitude. Staying fresh on the blocks and them avenues. Got me feeling like a man, what I got to lose. One life to live, how a shot to do. Make money, eat good and stay low key. It's my advice from my OG. Stay focused, homie, and in your zone. So I carry life and held my own.
Question everything, every brick, every home, every lie got a base. Any story that's told, even beef gets stale if the heat get cold. But my mind stays sharp, I will hold my own. Question everything, every brick, every home, every lie got a base. Any story that's told, even beef gets stale if the heat get cold. But my mind stays sharp, I will hold my own. To roll in the cold, you might feel a little stressed. 9 to 5 at the job, for the 9 for the rest. So excuse a motherfucker if I'm trying to get blessed. I was raised as a heathen in the shadow of Eden, conditioned to look at people like I don't really need them. And fuck conventionality, I do me when I need to. I proceed to root the reefer with a tight grin. As lately I'm feeling the need to stay my nights in. I know the pussy is exciting, and the way your kitty purrs sound inviting. No wonder that I slide in. I'm just trying to raise your tempo, so cold. I ain't trying to be a man though. Leave it in me to figure this out by myself. And the butt is just another way it helps. See, I'm coping with no wealth and the lack of the sum of my needs, and I feel like I'm exactly where they wanted me to be.
Time has loved us all, my friend, in its time and day. When living in the time you're in, you will see your way.
To row in the coast, just another way of saying that your life is endothermic. So when your end of term hits, you lose your engine and entertain the thought of murders. You getting so cold, getting back, starting to get worth it. You'll be on the low, dreaming up schemes so perfect that somebody has gotta reward you by 40 virgins. You know what the verge is. You've been on the ledge so much that you on point when you're staring down the edge. But you gotta watch your step when you do the devil's dance. When you slip into the system, you might never stand a chance. They say go into a trance with your hands for salvation, but I got too many spots on my record, Dalmatian. Reckon that's the reason that my eyes stay Asian. Trying to build on feelings, but my mind's no Mason. Cold hard beating, boy, I'm barely a sane man. But just between us, no, I wouldn't be the same, man.
Time has loved us all, my friend, in its time and day.
In this time of day, we still pray. Come on,
living
man.
in the time you're
In this
in,
time you're in,
you will see your way.
to roam in the cold, stepping, coming to the warmth. It's like we're saying that you're better off where better off belongs. Like it's saying take a charge and head up steady going on. Or head on dead to the north, off the way veterans go hard. Or better yet for your environment, grow selfish and apart. And watch your oldest interactions growing equal in discord. If you're looking for an equity, you ain't even look that far. When gaze upon the mirror, you can see that's what you are. But it's tablets need a reference to passion in your heart. Even talent's got its flaws, you better build on what you are. Go ahead, cause you a star. Bright the sky when you're shining in the cold, you grow hard under pressure like a